Okay, here we're taking a look at a sample resume. We have Satya, who's filled in his personal information, contact, address, phone number, mail ID. He's also decided to add an objective here, which is very cleverly chosen, a small single line objective. Next comes the education qualification. We have Satya listing out his education qualifications, very neat format. The details are easy to find. Going down, a very important point is the project experience. Satya has named the project and he has given the details. He has described what the project is about and what it does, which is very good. But wait, he seems to have forgotten something. He has not mentioned the platform that he's used, the software that he's used to create this project. If he had used that, the person who's reviewing the resume would know what is his actual software experience within that project. That is a big plus for a first job. That is where you get your real life experience, right? Going down, we see that he's written software proficiency. Very good. He talks about his skills in technology. He talks about languages, databases, platforms, all good. Finally, he talks about his strengths. 1, 2 are okay. 3, creative thought. Now, if that is a strength, be prepared to give examples during the interview. Now, let's take a look at page 2. Work experience. Where is he working? If you had any summer jobs or you had some experience during your college years, that will be where you will put your work experience. Finally, he's given a declaration and he signed it. Those 2 points vary from place to place, job to job. If you feel like, please put it on. If it is required, go ahead and do it. Personal memoranda, I'm keeping it for last, may or may not be included. For most professional jobs, it is not required. A lot of this information is taken in the application form itself. You don't have to really mention your father's name and things like that. It will be there in an identification. Yeah. So here we have a sample resume. Once again, the highlights: name and contact information, objective, educational qualification, project work, software proficiencies, strengths, page 2, work experience if any, personal memoranda, and we have declaration and signature.